Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve audio or sound issues with not working audio on your Windows 10 device. So I'm very well aware that some people are going to just come on this video without any audio on their computer and they can't hear what I'm saying, and to that I would have just suggested that they use a different device like a phone, or they would have went to a different computer that had sound. It's not really that hard to figure that out. But to everybody else who can hear what I'm saying on some kind of device, I appreciate that. So we're going to try a couple of different things. Everybody can follow along probably just by watching what I'm showing as well. So we're going to just jump right into it. First thing I'd recommend is going down to the bottom right corner of your screen where your speakers icon is. Left click on it one time. Now you want to drag it all the way over to the right side to 100%. Now I would highly suggest that your speakers physically are not turned up that loud. So you also want to make sure your actual speakers are turned on as well. So I find that will actually resolve the issue for a lot of people just by going right down here and just making sure your scroll bar is turned all the way up, or at least it's turned on, because it could have been muted very likely through there. So the first thing after that I would suggest trying would be to open up the start menu just by left clicking on the start button one time, and into the start menu you want to type in device manager. So now you want to drag this over. Now go underneath sound, video, and game controllers. Left click on the little arrow next to it to expand. Now you want to right click on whatever sound, video, game controllers are listed under here. Right click. And then left click on uninstalled device. And then I would recommend restarting your computer, and hopefully that should have resolved your issue as well. So again, if the first method, just going down the bottom right corner, didn't work, go to the device manager method. So next thing we're going to try is going to be to go into our volume settings. So we're going to go and head over to our speaker icon again. So our little speaker icon down here. Right click on it. Now you want to left click on playback devices. So now you want to make sure whatever your default speakers are here are set as default. Just right click on the speaker and make sure it's set to default. However, I only have one here, and you can see the little check mark indicates that it's a default device. So again, make sure that's default. Once you've selected it, left click on properties, and then go up and you can left click on the enhancements tab. I would check mark disable all enhancements, and then once you've done that, left click on apply and OK, and then you can select preview as well, whichever you prefer. So I would highly suggest trying that as well. And then if that still does not work for you, so if we went back into our properties, you go into the advanced tab here, and you can try different default formats as well. You can try different volume qualities here. Just take note of which one was the one that you selected from default. Probably take note of the bit and the hertz value here. So pretty straightforward, and I would hope that one of these methods would be able to resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do hope this tutorial was able to help, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.